remember the simpler times of Jamaica and the Caribbean life? We brought a piece of that nostalgia overseas with our collection of cherished keepsakes. Picture yourself using the old-time chamber pot, affectionately known as the Chimi, a symbol of practicality and tradition. And who could forget the trusty suitcase, lovingly called the grip, dulcimina, or trunk, that carried our dreams across oceans and borders? These items aren't just objects. They're vessels of memories, reminding us of the joyous days spent in Jamaica and beyond. As Satideh morning runnings, come make we talk.